Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to a brand new video on my channel. You're watching Boss Your Money. In today's video, I'm going to tell you guys exactly why I decided to invest just about $100 in order to potentially make me millions. If that's something you're interested in doing, keep watching till the end. Don't forget to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Let's get straight into the video. Now I know that a lot of you have been coming to this channel to learn a little bit about how to invest in the stock market, how to invest actively, how to invest passively, how to go on and invest in cryptocurrencies and so on. But in order to do any kind of investment, you're going to need money. Money is key. You can't make a single investment without money. Now, how many of you are working a 9 to 5 job and what is your profession? Let me know in the comment section down below. I myself, as you probably know, I'm in the finance and accounting sector, and that is what I do on a day-to-day basis. And I don't exactly earn a bucket load of money just to invest. Most of my paycheck goes towards paying the bills and covering my expenses. So if you're on the same boat as I am, what is it that you do for a living? Now moving on, let me tell you exactly what I invested in and how I potentially see a huge revenue stream for myself. Now there are multiple ways where you can start generating multiple streams of income for yourself apart from your day job, and I highly recommend that you do start yourself a passive income stream or an alternative stream of income. Now, I decided to start this YouTube channel not only to educate you on personal finance and investing and so on, but also to give myself an alternative stream of income. I've already made a YouTube video on how you can start a YouTube channel for yourself to start earning passive income. Now, the second stream of income that I've decided to start is by creating a website. There are lots of different ways to create a website. There are lots of different ways to earn money from websites. And this is what I've decided to invest that $100 on. Now, if you're wondering how does a finance and accounts guy learn how to create a website and make money from websites, it's very simple. The answer is research. I started off on YouTube by getting a little bit of broad understanding on what kind of website I need to start and how to get started on doing a website. And once I got a clear broad picture of what exactly I want to do, I then went on to Skillshare and got detailed information on how to start a website. The hosting platform that I decided to go for is Bluehost, and the backend platform that I decided to go for is WordPress. And all I had to do after that was go on Skillshare and just type in how to create a Bluehost WordPress website, and I got this video which I learned everything I needed to know on how to create a website. Based on this, I then went on to Bluehost, signed up for a very nominal fee. I also did manage to get myself a good discount for the 36-month plan, which I'm very happy about. As you know, as a finance channel, as a finance guy, I'm all about saving money as much as possible anywhere I can. So I'm very happy about that. And then I went on to install WordPress and I decided to set up the Blocksy theme. Now again, once you've done with the site setup, all you have to do is do a little more research on what kinds of themes you need, on what kinds of plugins are required, and it all depends on each person's website type. It depends on what exactly you want to do on a website. Do you want to blog? Do you want to set up an e-commerce store? Whatever it might be, it doesn't really matter. All the information you need is out there for you to find. Now, I signed up on Skillshare with a 14-day free trial. So if that's something you want to try as well, do check out the link in the description below. Now, this website is clearly not launched yet. I am working on it. I'm creating the website. I'm redesigning and going over everything I need to know. And once the website is ready, I'll definitely let you guys know so that you can go check it out as well. Now, how exactly do I plan on monetizing the website? There are lots of different ways, as I said. It could be a physical product where you manufacture and deliver goods to someone. or you can create digital products, maybe an ebook or something, sell that on your website. You could create a video course and sell that on your website. And there are other obvious revenue streams like placing ads on your website and doing affiliate marketing. So take your pick. It doesn't have to be very difficult, but it does require a lot of hard work and dedication from your side. It's not going to make you money overnight, but over the course of 1 to 2 years, you are definitely going to start seeing significant amounts of income generated from your website and from your YouTube channel. So I wouldn't just ignore this video. I wouldn't just listen to it and forget about it. I want you to take action. I want you to do your research. I want you to get really into it so that you can start making serious money. I know that 1 to 2 years seems like a long time without any kind of return, but think about it. How many years have you been working your 9 to 5 job? What exactly have you been doing? As I said, let me know in the comment section because I am interested to know. But you know the answer to this question and you know how much you've earned over all of these years that you've been working. And if you think that that's been worth your time, I strongly suggest, I strongly say that it's probably not been worth your time. You can generate way more income by doing something for yourself. It doesn't have to be a blog, it doesn't have to be a YouTube. Maybe you're more into setting up your own business, a physical business. That's all well and good, but you can't really set up a business for $100 or so, can you? Or if you want to start a YouTube channel, you can't really start that for free, can you? So you really have to think about it. You really have to put things into perspective. If you were to start a blog and a YouTube channel like myself, videos can take me anywhere from 1 hour to about 24 hours to produce one video, and to write one article on my blog, it's going to take me about 1 to 2 hours in my day. Of course, this does not include the research time that goes into it, but researching can be done in multiple different ways. Maybe you listen to a podcast, maybe you're listening to a YouTube video. It doesn't matter. It can be done, but the time and effort that it takes to get started is what really matters and what really counts, and is what puts people away from starting what they want to start. So put everything aside, clear your mind, and just focus and get started. I'm telling you right away, nothing on my channel is get rich quick. It is all about making genuine, huge amounts of wealth for yourself. So if you like this video, if you've enjoyed this video, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll catch you guys in the next video where I talk about getting started on eToro investing. See ya.